to generate an Amazon affiliate link for products and earn commissions. So first, go to Google and search for Amazon affiliate program. Sign up for program if you haven't already. Navigate to Amazon website and select product that you want to promote. Ensure that you sign in into your Amazon Associate account. Look for Amazon Associates site stripe bar at the top of page. This bar provides tools for generating affiliate links. Click on Get Link option in the site stripe bar and choose whether you want to short link or full link. Short link is preferable for sharing. Once link is generated, copy it. This link contains your unique affiliate code. Use affiliate link in your content such as blog posts, videos, or social media posts. When people click on this link and make purchase, you will earn commissions.